Hi, Mike from WikiPack here. I've made a change to the Markdown editor to implement one of the ideas that was inspired by Brett Terpstra's post on the ideal Markdown editor, which is how to handle links. Let me show you how I've implemented it. When you're working with the page, there's handy buttons up here for inserting links and images. If you click this button without any text selected, it's going to ask you for the link text, and it'll ask you for the URL. And then it creates a link for you. The image button works much the same way. You can also type in the text first, select it, hit the link button, and do it that way. The only problem is, I like to use the keyboard a lot. I don't want to have to be coming up here and clicking buttons all the time. But I couldn't think of a good keyboard shortcut. For example, Command B for bold, Command I for italics. What about links and images? Command L, Command I? That's not going to work. But the idea of being able to paste the URL into the page and be smart enough to process that intelligently is pretty cool. So if you're on a page and you want to make a link to the URL, you can copy it to your clipboard. Then when you paste it into the page with no other text selected, it's going to ask you if you want to turn it into a link. If you don't, just hit escape and you can keep on typing. If you did, you just say OK. Then it's going to prompt you to enter the text for the link. It's going to do it for you. Now you can also do that by first selecting some text and then pasting the URL over that selected text. It's going to prompt you, you say OK, it's a link. That's pretty handy. Now it's also pretty cool for inserting links to images. So if I get a image URL here, I really like this. I'm just going to hit Command V. Yes, I'd like to turn that into an image. Type in the alt text. You can put in anything there, it doesn't matter. Boom, there's a picture. So if I save that page now, I should have a link and a picture. And that was really quick and really easy. And I didn't have to click any toolbar buttons.